In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your shortcuts on Facebook, both on the mobile app and the computer web. Let's start with the mobile phone. Open the Facebook app and log into your account. Tap on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. You will see all the shortcuts on your account. To remove a shortcut, press and hold the shortcut. Tap the Remove icon, cross, that appears to remove it from your shortcuts. Repeat this process for all the shortcuts you want to remove. Now let's see how you can do it on the desktop web. Go to the Facebook website and log into your account. On the left side of the home page, you'll see the list of shortcuts.
Click on the Edit option that appears next to your shortcuts.
Select Hide from Shortcuts to remove it. Then click Save. Repeat this process for all the shortcuts you want to remove. And that's how you can remove shortcuts on both the Facebook mobile app and the desktop web.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.